your command center for hurricane survival. Here in the Central Pacific, hurricanes can cut off power and supplies in an instant. Preparation is key, and food is at the heart of it. When the fridge fails, your pantry becomes your lifeline, stocked with non-perishables that don't need refrigeration. Today, we'll break down the 12 essential food categories for your hurricane kit, transforming your pantry into a fortress of nutrition and self-sufficiency. Grab your rain slicker, let's get serious about storm-ready sustenance. Let's start with the champion of non-perishables, the can. Canned goods are sealed, sterilized, and built to last for years. No refrigeration needed. Stock up on proteins like tuna, salmon, and chicken for energy and muscle maintenance. Canned vegetables and fruits retain much of their nutrition, providing vitamins and fiber when fresh produce is gone. Don't forget ready-to-eat meals. Soups, stews, and chili can be eaten straight from the can. Variety is crucial. Mix proteins, veggies, fruits, and meals for balanced nutrition. The canning process kills bacteria and seals out contaminants, but toss any can that's bulging or leaking. Use canned tomatoes for sauces, beans for bulk, and chicken for sandwiches. These aren't just rations, they're the foundation of your emergency menu. Cans are reliable, versatile, and essential for any storm pantry. Build your stock thoughtfully. Don't buy just one type. Rotate your supply to keep it fresh. Remember, a well-stocked can shelf is your first line of defense. Keep a manual can opener handy. Canned goods, the backbone of your hurricane kit. Next, let's talk carbs, rice and pasta. These shelf-stable staples are calorie-dense, affordable, and last for years if stored properly. White rice and dried pasta are your best bets for long-term storage. They're blank canvases, stretching limited ingredients into filling meals. In emergencies, cook pasta with minimal water, or soak it to save fuel. Rice can be boiled and soaked to conserve resources. Both provide comfort and energy, crucial for stressful times. Pair them with canned goods or beans for complete meals. A big bag of rice or pasta is a cost-effective way to ensure you never go hungry. Rotate your stock and keep it dry. These are the workhorses of your emergency pantry. Don't skip them. When the power's out, breakfast needs to be quick and easy. Rolled oats and whole grain cereals deliver energy with zero cooking required. Oats can be softened with water or powdered milk. No heat needed. Choose cereals high in fiber and low in sugar for lasting energy. Eat them dry or with reconstituted milk for a complete meal. These options are perfect for kids and adults alike. No can opener, no stove, no mess. Stock up on oats and sturdy cereals. They're lightweight and filling. They reduce stress and keep you fueled for the day ahead. Breakfast solved even in a blackout. Milk spoils fast in a blackout, but powdered milk is a shelf-stable solution. It's real milk, just dehydrated, packed with protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Add water, stir, and you've got milk for drinking, cereal, or recipes. It's essential for kids, the elderly, and anyone needing extra nutrition. Use it to make oats creamy or to enrich soups. Store a large box or can. It's lightweight and lasts for years. Mix with cold water for best taste. Don't overlook this pantry hero. It brings comfort and nutrition when you need it most. Powdered milk, the unsung staple. Peanut butter is a survival superstar. Calorie-dense, protein-rich, and shelf-stable. If allergies are an issue, try almond, sunflower, or tahini. 2 tablespoons pack energy and healthy fats for endurance. Eat it straight, spread on crackers, or stir into oats. It's versatile, sweet or savory, no prep required. Unopened, it lasts a year or more. Opened, it's still safe without refrigeration. Just stir if the oil separates. Stock 2 or 3 jars for emergencies. It's a kid-friendly meal, a quick snack, and a morale booster. Cheap, stable, and delicious. Peanut butter is a must-have for every kit. Don't leave it off your list. Sweetness matters in a crisis. Canned fruit delivers vitamins, energy, and variety. The canning process preserves most nutrients, offering a welcome break from salty, starchy foods. Choose fruits in juice or light syrup for a healthier option. Eat straight from the can, no prep needed. The juice can be a quick energy drink or sweetener for oats. Stock a variety your family enjoys for comfort and nutrition. Canned fruit lifts spirits and adds essential nutrients. It's a simple way to keep meals balanced and morale high. Flavor is vital. Bouillon cubes and broth concentrates transform bland staples into satisfying meals. These tiny cubes pack years of shelf life and a big punch of umami. Dissolve in water to make instant broth or add to rice and veggies for depth. They boost hydration and replenish sodium lost through sweat. A warm cup of broth is comforting and restorative. Stock beef, chicken, and veggie varieties for flexibility. They weigh little, cost less, and make every meal better. Use them to create soups, stews, or just to sip. Bouillon is your secret weapon for morale and flavor. Don't forget to pack plenty. Dried beans, lentils, and split peas are nutrition powerhouses, packed with protein and fiber. Properly stored, they last for years and stretch your food supply. Lentils and split peas cook quickly, saving fuel. Soak beans overnight to reduce cooking time. Pair with rice for a complete protein. Add to soups, mash for spreads, or make them the main dish. They're cost-effective, filling, and essential for long-term resilience. Stock a variety for flexibility. Legumes are the backbone of a robust emergency pantry. Jerky, beef, turkey, fish, or plant-based, is the ultimate grab-and-go protein. Dehydration and salt make it shelf-stable and resistant to spoilage. It's lightweight, portable, and packed with protein for energy and muscle repair. Perfect for on-the-move snacking or when you can't cook. Choose lower sodium options if possible and mix up the types for variety. Plant-based jerkies are great for vegetarians. Jerky is a time-tested survival food. Don't overlook it. Keep a stash in your kit for instant nutrition. Sometimes you need quick energy, not a full meal. Enter granola bars and trail mix. Granola bars are compact, individually wrapped, and deliver carbs, protein, and fats. Trail mix combines nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and a touch of chocolate for balanced nutrition and morale. Both are kid-friendly, mess-free, and require no prep. Stock a variety for different needs. High fiber, high protein, or just tasty. Buy pre-made or mix your own for longer shelf life. These snacks bridge the gap between meals and keep everyone fueled. They're essential for grab-and-go situations. Pocket rockets for your emergency arsenal. Don't let bland food kill morale. Salt, sugar, and spices are pantry essentials. Salt is vital for health and flavor. Sugar provides quick energy and comfort. A few key spices, pepper, garlic, chili powder, transform basic meals. Include soy sauce, vinegar, or hot sauce for variety. Store in airtight containers to prevent clumping. These items are cheap, last for years, and make every meal better. They're small but mighty morale boosters. Don't forget to pack the flavor. A little seasoning goes a long way in tough times. Make your emergency meals something to look forward to. Sometimes you need a complete, no-prep meal. Enter MREs and emergency food kits. MREs are self-contained, calorie-dense, and include everything you need, even a flameless heater. They're designed for extreme conditions and last 5 years or more. Commercial kits offer family-sized, freeze-dried meals. Just add hot water. These are perfect for the chaotic aftermath of a storm. No guesswork, no cooking. Just open and eat. Stock a 3-day supply per person for immediate needs. Use your component pantry for longer-term meals. MREs are the ultimate backup, nutritional insurance for any emergency. Combine both strategies for the best results. There you have it, 12 essential food categories to turn your pantry into a storm-proof lifeline. Aim for at least 3 days' supply per person, but a week or more is even better. Rotate your stock, check dates, and use airtight waterproof containers. Don't forget a manual can opener. Pack 2, just in case. Store supplies off the floor and keep water, meds, and first aid close by. Prepare now, not when the storm hits. Build your kit gradually, and you'll weather any storm with confidence. Stay safe and eat well.